Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 ML350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath here is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Black MB Tex interior with a dark wood trim. Panorama sunroof. ML350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power lift gate, a clean set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center. This ML has very low miles, 60,450 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.